What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus into the OtterBox Defender Series case, so stick around. Welcome back, and let's get straight into the installation process. So first you're going to want to separate the belt clip from the actual case itself. Next, grab a credit card and slide it in between the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone and the inner polycarbonate shell. Once you've popped one corner off, you can easily remove the outer layer. Before you separate the two pieces, be sure you've properly removed the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone. Once you've done so, this is what you should be left with. Next, we need to separate the two pieces of the inner polycarbonate shell. So go ahead and grab that piece, and on the back you'll notice that there are arrows in specific locations where you're going to pop the case apart at. So perhaps you might use a butter knife or a small flathead screwdriver. However, I'm able to use my fingernail and go across each one of those arrows and pop the case apart in each section. Once you've popped apart the case in all the proper arrowed locations, both pieces will separate and you will be able to install your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So this is what it should look like when the case is fully disassembled. Next, you're going to want to place the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus into the back section of the case. Next, you're going to reinstall the top section of the inner polycarbonate shell. And to do so, simply place the top section on top of the bottom section and make your way around the entire case, snapping them together. Now make sure and double check that you've done this correctly, as this step is extremely important to make sure you have the proper amount of room for the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone. So once you've completed that, you're now ready to install the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone. So go ahead and grab the part you've been working on with your phone in it and place it inside the outer layer of shock absorbing silicone. Then make your way around the entire case, folding that silicone into the edge and groove provided by the inner polycarbonate shell. Again, go ahead and double check, make your way around the case one more time, make sure that you've properly installed that outer layer. And that's it. Now your Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is completely covered with one of the most rugged cases available for the Galaxy S10 Plus. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please be sure to drop a like rating down below, and also leave me a comment down in the comment section letting me know that this video helped you. Thank you for watching. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.